Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper on a Monday, November the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the jigsaw Sudoku. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have unfortunately no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzle of the Thursday edition. Okay, this one, number 7480. 7480. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. It's I think it's a 1-star, maybe 2 stars puzzle. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And for a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. I will see if this is a 1-star or 2 stars puzzle. Okay, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Yeah, only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2? No dual boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3? No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadro boxes then. I see here a quadro box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill this in. Yes, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Here we have also a quadro box. Can also not fill those numbers, so I need to wait. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape upside down. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Oh, overlook this L shape. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Another one here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Oh, only 2. Only 2, yes. We have only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. And if you flip that shape, you will get the Z. Well, let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright? So, in this case, it's a 5 here then. And this one is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. I believe the T shape is missing here. Yeah, the T shape. And the question is, yeah, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be there. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 4 can be 4. So 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 1 and a 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Should be here. These are 3 boxes. So 1 of 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4 in this W area shape. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, but also those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me go up. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area. Number 5. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. Well. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 to 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this area. 4 number 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this W area shape. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 4, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this S construction. Should be there. This box can be 5. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. And this one is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or 5. So 1 digit left in this S construction for number 2. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and... no. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. And these are 3 boxes. So 1 and 1 can be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, okay, and now I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then. Let me see, I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers, 1 of the missing number in this area is number 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 and a 5 are left. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 box left in this S construction for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Well, now I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 now, a 3 there, so 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers in this area, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area, quadra box, should be for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. For the 1 star, the 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the 0 stars Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the binaries, for the tectonics, for the killer Sudokus, for the samurai Sudokus, all kind of and jigsaw Sudokus. Yeah, this one is a jigsaw Sudoku. And yeah, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those puzzles, all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. I will see you in the evening. Yeah, in the evening with other 3 puzzles left in the Thursday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.